What does that one story tell us about what the electronic medical record has actually done to patient care?
Yeah, again, all these stories are real. They've been anonymized and obviously de-identified so that nobody gets embarrassed. But this is a very, very sad case in which a patient went to the hospital with chest pain. This is a woman who had a known aneurysm in her chest, a weakness in the aorta in her chest. When she went to the hospital, she was having chest pain, and she told the nurse, triage nurse, that she had an aneurysm, so that they would know that she did. One of the failings here was that she did have medical records, but they were in a different hospital and they did not have interoperability, so they couldn't access the records from the other hospital. So the nurse writes down, patient has an abdominal aneurysm. It was the wrong location. She wrote down the wrong thing. That note was cut and pasted all the way through this woman's chart, so that everybody who saw her when she was admitted to the hospital thought that she had an abdominal aneurysm, but she was having chest pain. And so they were concerned about her having a heart attack, when in reality it was her aorta that was dissecting. And so she never had the correct studies. They ended up discharging her without really understanding what was going on. And she died the next day when the aneurysm fully dissected and ruptured. It was an example of failing of the electronic medical record and not allowing and not making people continue to interrogate and ask things and depending on what's written down in an electronic record. And I think it really is there's a potential here for even more harm from the electronic record.